Alright, so here we have Eliza's puppies. They are now 7 weeks old. And hopefully I've caught them in a nice, playful mood. We've got Keats up on the right here. He's just walking across. And that's little Caitlin right there playing. I think they've got Cruz pinned down. Kiva over there chewing on a toy. It's good to see Cruz out playing because last time he was in a nappy mood. And all he wanted to do is go back and sleep. So now at least he's playing. Oh, sorry. Let me get this situated a little better. Yeah. You can see them all wrestling here. That's Knight on the left and Con on the right, the two white ones. Everybody's in on it now. Yeah, see there's little Cruz on the left next to Keats. On top of Knight. Caitlin's running after Kiva. You can get her in the bottom. Biting her tail. Little stinker. You little stinker? Knight's itching because I put a collar on him. Because it was getting hard to tell he and Con apart. Con's grown so much that he's not as itty bitty as he used to be. So I just put a collar on Knight. That way I know who's who. Oh, see, he keeps itching at it. He's like, get this off of me. Oh, look at Caitlin go. She got Cruz pinned down. She's giving him what for. She's a little stinker. Look at that. Hi, Kiva. Well, hello, Kiva. Hi. Hi there. You gonna talk to me, huh? Are you talking to me? Need to pay attention. I was watching them instead of the camera. Pretty soon they were out of the camera's eye. Con's enjoying that little toy. Sorry, I've been calling Kirby Knight. It's Kirby and Con. Getting these white boys all mixed up. and going back to go potty and stuff. They've been eating out of that metal dish because I can put the food all around it and then everybody can get around to eat. It works real nice. I suppose I should get it out of the way, huh? They're like kicking it around. Shall I get your plate out of the way? Huh? Are you all done eating? Yeah. You finally ate? I think Mommy probably finished your dinner, didn't she? Yeah, I bet she did. I bet she did. I bet Mommy finished it when she came in to nurse. Yeah. Okay, so Kirby on top of Cruz. Poor Cruz, he's always on the bottom of the pile. And then over here, Con, kind of playing by himself, playing with his own foot or tail or something. Kaylin's got somebody pinned down. Kiva. Well, she has gotten spunky. Well, maybe that isn't Kiva she's got down there. Maybe that's Keats. Because it looks like Kiva back in the back. Going potty. Yeah, back here. That's Kiva. So she must have Keats pinned down. Why are you chewing on the bowl, huh? Get that out of here. What? Are you looking at me, Kirby? Are you looking at me? Con? Hello, baby. Hello. Hello, sweet baby. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh. So cute. So darling. All in a pile playing. Well, this time Cruz isn't on the bottom, Keats is. It's Cruz. Kiva! Kiva! What are you doing back there? Come on. There she comes. There she comes back. All right, well, they've been nice and playful for you this week, every single one of them, so that's good. You can see their little personalities are playful and sweet and fun. So there are Eliza's puppies, 7 weeks old.